I'm Tomasz Michalski, the service manager of the Omega Electronics company, and today I will tell you about Siemens main spindle drive 6SC6620, and we will show commissioning and starting this drive after repairing. The 6SC66 is popular spindle drive in 90s, and a lot of them is still in use today. The repairing of this drive is very difficult. The power stage based on large Darlington transistors, very complicated drivers board with a lot of discrete elements and special hybrids, and we have also some cards in this drive. The G1 cards, this is power supply for the electronics. N1 cards, this is very complicated dual channel microcomputer system that controls all of drives, the proper DC voltage stabilization and proper current delivery to the motor. The Siemens called this method of control transvector. And we have N2 card. This is interface between microcomputer system and power stage. We are repairing this drive. It is difficult. Any mistake making in service process could serious damage of all drives. The power modules can explode in the first turn on. So there is need to special method of service and measuring in the whole repairing process. And in our company we are doing this. And now my colleague Andrzej will turn on and starting the spindle drive 6SC6620, that is the most powerful drive in all 6SC66 family, and we are doing some measuring and testing. Could you turn on the power supply? Okay, thanks. And now we have a special measuring device. This is a multi-channel oscilloscope that checked three-phase current input currents, and the second one, multi-channel oscilloscope, is shown with three-phase output current delivery to the motor. The motor is 1PH6 family with the sinus cosinus 1 volt peak to peak encoder. as we see. We see input currents that have the pulses character. We see that all of tie restore device work proper, and here we have three-phase output sinusoidal current. 17 amperes RMS delivery to the motor. That is correct. The motor is working without the loading. Here we have a voltmeter that measuring DC stage voltage for this drive. DC voltage in power stage is exactly 600 volts. This voltage is stabilized and independent of loading the motor and rapid acceleration and deceleration of the motor. The controller will show us how does it work. The motor will rapidly accelerate, decelerate, and we have 600 volts in DC stage all of the time. So now we can turn on the